Okay. Hi, Rian. Did you eat lunch na?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I ate lunch outside.
Oh, outside. Okay. So, kakauwi nyo lang din pala. It's cool. Kami dito lang sa bahay. We just ate at home. Okay, are you ready for today's lesson?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, we're gonna go over some kind of complicated stuff. Medyo advanced na tayo. Okay? I guess medium difficulty overall, alright? You ready? Oh, hello, what's going on with your camera? Whew, so hot. You alright? What's wrong?
No, I just changed. I accidentally moved the moved the cable.
Okay. Alright, we still have 5 minutes before we start. Do you have any questions from the last class? Anything you wanna refresh muna?
No, not really. Also,
You
I
mm-hmm.
think I'm gonna be absent on 27 and
27,
30 and
27 and
30.
30.
Yeah, I'm going to Bacolod with my family.
Oh, okay. No, that's fine. Are you? Oh, yeah. Summer ka na ngayon, no?
Yeah.
When did your summer start?
Uh, wait. Let me check the.
Go lang. So I'll take note of
It's
that. 27 and 30, no? Yeah, no problem.
yeah, 27 and 30. My vacation started on around last week of March.
Last week of March. Oh, okay. Tas kailan balik nyo? Sa school?
June.
June?
I think around last month, last week of June.
Okay, that's cool. So, a month more of vacation. But you have to be careful. It's very hot. You have to stay
Yeah, it's
hydrated,
very
huh?
hot.
Okay. Very hot. Yeah, I'm burning right now. I'm very sweating a lot. You have water with you there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Are you ready? We still have 3 minutes pa naman. You wanna just chill muna?
You can start if
We
you
can
want.
start? Okay.
Yeah.
Sige, game na tayo. Start na tayo. Because I think you need the time for the activities later, okay? Share screen na si Teacher Justin. Alright, so for today's class, we will be tackling control blocks for Scratch. Also, did you play around with Scratch while we didn't have class?
Yeah, but I forgot to save it.
Oh no, sayang. But it's okay. I guess you got a grasp na on what to do and how the blocks work, right? That's cool. Alright, let's continue now. So for control blocks, well, for the previous sessions, we've learned about event-driven programming. So events, like when you click on a sprite, right? Or when you press a key, that's an event. And we use event blocks for these activities. Also, we learned about the application of such event blocks. But for now, we're gonna be focusing on control blocks naman. So what exactly are control blocks? These blocks are special code blocks that control the flow of our programs. Iba siya sa event blocks, okay? They help us make decisions, repeat actions, and manage the order of execution. So it's for controlling talaga. So here are the different types of control blocks. The first one is the wait block. So the wait block helps us to wait a number of seconds and allows us to pause our program for a specific amount of time. It's useful for creating delays between actions or controlling the timing of events. I think we used this in the last session, diba? The wait
Yeah.
block, yeah, for the delay for the sprite animation, right? Then next up we have the repeat block. The repeat block allows us to repeat a set of code a specific number of times. So as you can see here on the right, this block makes us repeat what's inside of the repeat block 10 times. So we can use this when we want to do something multiple times without writing the same code again and again. So for example, we can do this, right? When the green flag is clicked, it's gonna repeat the sequence of codes 10 times. So it's gonna move 10 steps, then it's gonna move back 10 steps, then it's gonna repeat that whole thing 10 times, right? And repeat 10 times the block of code inside. Ayan. It goes back to the beginning of the loop and repeats. Yeah. Do you get how it works?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll be using these concepts later, okay? So remember that. Meanwhile, the forever block, unlike the repeat X amount of block, repeat X amount of times block, this one allows us to create a code that runs continuously and never stops. So we use this dun sa dancing activity last time, right? So the guy just keeps on dancing forever and ever, right? Then, for example, if you want a sprite to turn 15 degrees forever, it's just gonna keep on turning 15 degrees forever. And here, this is a very important block, especially in programming. And if you want to learn more about programming, aside from Scratch, these are the if-else blocks. We also call them conditionals because because when you use them, you're trying to fulfill a set of conditions, and when this condition is met, a certain event is triggered. So, kunyari, if something happens, then the code inside this block is triggered. Alright? Then if, then else, or if else, if something happens, then this triggers. If that does not happen, then this triggers yung nasa else block. Do you get it? Right? Okay. So you
It
can use them to...
the
Hmm?
I think there it's kind of confusing for me. I don't really know how it works.
Oh, okay. No, that's fine. It's very confusing sa first time. But don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Okay? When you um practice makes perfect, as I say. So once you use them in practice, you get to um nasasanay ka sa you get to understand how exactly they work. All right? So I'll show you later then how these will work. So aside from those are the control blocks. Here are the operators, if-else operators. So we use them to check conditions and make a decision based on if it's true or not. So if, for example, if we put is 5 greater than 6, that's false, right? 5 greater than 6. Mas malaki ba si 5 kay 6? So that's false, right? So since it's false, nothing happens. But for example, if we say is 6 greater than 3, then that's true, right? Then we can make a code where if 3 where if this block is true, then something will happen. Okay? So we'll use them later. So here's an example. Ayan. Is 5 greater than 10? No, right? So false. Pero pag binaliktad mo, true na siya. Ayan. If is 5 less than 10, ganyan. So if 5 equals to 5, then that's true. But if you change it, then that's false na. So we can set up a sequence of code blocks that make it so that when these blocks return a value of true, then something can happen. Okay? We'll try them later para mas magets mo. So they're just basically for comparison. Ayan. And here are logical operators. They're different from the greater than less than in a sense that you can combine the comparison operators into a logical operator. So here are they are comparing the results of the operations on the left and right. Then they can also return a value of true or false. Okay? And here are special operators. So they're just similar to the conditionals, but they are called special operators and they can still return true or false values. However, their conditions are entirely different. So pansin mo kanina, greater than or lesser than lang sila or equal to. So very simple lang. But here, medyo complicated na yung pwede nilang gawin. Right? You can just, they're pretty straightforward to use. Just read the text and you'll know what they do. So, kunyari, dito sa taas, if the string apple contains A, then ano mangyayari? When the sprite touches the edge, then ano mangyayari? Something like that. Gets? That's how you translate them. Medyo confusing pa ba?
The
It's okay, you
special
can be honest.
operators.
Mhm. Gets mo naman yung special operators.
Not really. I'm
Okay.
actually kind of experimenting with them, but I
Mhm.
don't know. I have no idea how the special operators work.
Okay, don't worry. May activities tayo later. Okay? We'll see how they work and how we use them. So, eto, example muna tayo. So the blocks of code on the right will place the sprite in the center at the beginning and keeps on saying, I wanna fly. Each time you press the spacebar, the sprite will go higher and higher. Then when the Y position gets high enough, the sprite will say, I'm flying. So how does that look like in this code? So step by step natin i-analyze, okay? So when the green flag is clicked, go to the center. Ito yung center. Then this is gonna repeat forever this line of code. So these code blocks, I mean. So if Y position is greater than 50, so pag yung sprite, if the sprite is at like um 50 steps higher, then it's gonna say I'm flying. Else, it's gonna say I wanna fly. Then, eto, may separate na code block so that you can change Y by 10. Okay? So, um, can you, ano naman, can you like intuitively imagine how this is gonna work? Ano mo lang, imagine mo lang. So, let's say we press space. So, di ba, we press space 10, we press the space bar, then the Y position changes by 10. Okay? So, if we press it 5 times, then 50 na yung Y position ni sprite, right? So, if we press it another time, so 60 na siya. And since 60 na yung Y position niya, 60 yung Y position, and that's greater than 50, then it's gonna say, I'm flying na siya. Okay, so we'll try another example later. So, you might be wondering why we use control blocks at all if we can just replicate stuff like this, right? We can just write a very long code block like this. Well, that's the point. We don't want a very long code block. That's why we use control blocks, right? It's much easier to read if we use a control block. So, kunyari, ganito. If you see this, it's gonna be very long, right? Instead of using just a forever block, you have you have to like copy paste the whole thing over and over again until it's very long. Medyo mahirap siya tingnan. So, let's move on to the activities. Ito na. Is your scratch ready na?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, game na tayo. So, let's make a bouncing ball animation. First up, start with a backdrop and add a ball sprite to the stage. Sige, share your screen then so I can guide you. Okay, ayan na yung ball. Okay. So how do you start this animation mode? Yan, very good.
Do I put this in forever or no?
I think you put it below. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Hey, panis. So try mo naman, paano natin gagawin kung every time that the ball bounces on the edge, the ball changes its color.
How do you do it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, wait lang. I think you can go to the sensing control blocks. Ayan. Then there's a block there called touching. Ayan. Hmm. Ayan, dapat meron siyang, ayan. Then lagay mo yung change na ano, change costume.
Ready to
Okay.
stop.
It's stop na. Sige, wait lang. Try din ni Kuya. Or actually, we're 30 minutes in. Sige, tingnan muna natin yung correct answer, okay? So, ayan. Ganito pala dapat siya.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So,
If
for forever, move 10 steps. And, yan, okay. So, tama nga. So, take out those wait until. Yan.
and then if
Mm-hmm.
If touching edge.
Right? Make sure to move the yung if on edge bounce na block. Lagay mo siya sa ilalim ng if na block. Yeah, nice. Ayun.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
It's
Wait, let
cool,
me
right?
just choose a backdrop.
Ayan. Okay, so do you get how the code works naman?
Yeah,
Yeah. So if we translate that, so dun sa loob ng forever loop, the ball will move 10 steps anywhere, right? So since it's pointing in a direction kasi 45 degrees, kaya siya pa-diagonal. So if you point at any sige, actually we have reflection questions here. So what happens naman if we remove the forever block? What do you think will happen?
what I think will happen if you remove the forever block, it will so when the green flag is clicked,
Mm-hmm.
so if the when the green flag is clicked, it moves um like wherever x0 and y0 is, and then it
Mm-hmm.
points in the direction 45
Mm-hmm.
degrees. And then if you remove the forever block, it will only move 10 steps. Then if if touching edge, it will still bounce, but it won't. But once this finishes,
Mm-hmm.
it won't do it anymore.
Yeah,
Because if
that's
we
right.
have the forever block, it will it will keep on doing it
Yeah, it's
over
gonna
and
keep on
over
bouncing,
again.
right?
Yeah,
So the forever block enables our ball to keep on moving. So if we remove the forever block, then it's just gonna move once. Ayun, no? Pag tinanggal mo rin yung if on edge bounce, wala na, out of frame na siya.
done.
Go bye-bye na yung ball. Ayan. So next naman, how does the if on edge bounce block help control the animation? Well, never mind. Nasagot na natin.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, it goes out of frame. So next up, how do we make the ball go faster?
Move this the move 10 steps. If we put it to move 30 steps, it will be
Nice.
faster.
Nice, congrats.
Right?
Good
I'm
job, good
gonna
job.
make it 50.
Pababaliw yan. Ayun na. Wug. Ang bilis nyo na. Alright. Save mo na yan, dali. Save natin yan. Then we can move on to the next activity. So you can kind of understand how the if else block works now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we look at that if condition, wala, okay. Sige, next project na muna tayo. We'll have other opportunities naman to deal with conditions. So ito naman, try natin to.
And rocks.
Yep, yep.
Rocks? Oh, okay. Can you just attach this to here
Mm-hmm.
when it says place them at, yeah, then, well, yeah, respectively when the green flag is lit. Do you just place it here?
Yep.
Ah, okay.
So may sariling ano rin dapat si Kat. Okay? May sariling code blocks din si Kat.
Ah, okay.
So for the rock, dapat 100 si X. Then negative 100 kay Kat.
This should be 100.
Yep, that's what
Oh, oops.
respectively means. So in order siya. Ayan. Ayan.
Ah, okay.
That's just what it does. Okay. So the cat should keep moving 10 steps to the right until it touches the rock. So how do we do that? If you want something to keep moving without stopping,
Wait, the page sizes.
sige, go lang.
Wait, oh, oops.
Oopsie.
I'm gonna make this one step. Okay. Wait 1 second. Oh, wait.
Hala. I think it's better if you use a forever block dyan.
Oh, wait. Uh,
Nag-negative 1 ba yun? Oh, nag-stop siya. Para dyan, if you want it to keep moving, what you wanna do is increase the number dun sa repeat 10. So, tanggalin mo lahat na yan. So, dapat nakalagay lang move 1, tsaka wait. Yung dalawa lang. Yan. Tapos dadamihan mo yung repeat. Lagay mo 50 kunyari. Ayan, tapos try mo ulit. Ayan. So, damihan mo ulit. Ayan. Right? And since we don't want to like keep adding and adding the sa repeat na ano na value, what we can use instead would be the forever block.
yeah, I think that's fine.
Yeah, okay na yan. So when it touches the rock, nope, nothing happens pa. Because you have to put something. Yan. There we go. Hey, nice. Good job.
I think I should add the background.
Yeah, you should make a background. You should add one. Yan, nasa space siya. Nasa moon.
I think it
Okay.
suits it.
Yeah, because it's a rock, right? Okay. Wanna see the answer na? Ayan. Okay. Mamaya na natin i-save and exit. Let's look at the answer muna. So this is what your code should look like. Pero I think what you did naman is kind of similar. Instead of using a forever block, you just used repeat 150. And instead of using a an if na block, you used wait until na block. Okay? It still works naman, so it's okay. Pero try mo gayahin to. Let's see what happens when you copy this one instead. Oop! Sumobra siya. Try ulit natin. Ayan. So, bilis siyang mag-ano. But what you did earlier naman was okay then. Okay? As long as you
Okay.
understand how you made the code.
But why isn't it moving 10 steps? Why isn't it
Uh,
moving back?
why does it have
Oh,
to move back?
oops. No, I mean, why isn't it moving back?
Oh no, it moved. Well, technically it didn't move back. Well, yes, it did move back, hindi lang kita. Basically, what the negative 10 did is that it just stops the ano, it stopped the cat before it
Oh,
like
okay.
collides with the rock.
Oh,
So
okay.
before they overlap. Okay? So moving on to some reflection questions. So what block dun sa code mo allows the cat to stop when it touches the rock?
Move negative 10 steps.
Nice. Okay, nagets mo agad. So what would happen if we didn't use an if condition?
If we didn't use an if condition, he would just move 10 steps forever and then
Mhm.
and then say it's a rock. He will,
Ayan, ganyan na siya.
yeah. I don't it's not moving.
Nasira na siya if it well, technically it should move. Oh, kaya din na siya gumagalaw. Check this out. So tanggalin mo yung if, yan. Tapos tanggalin mo rin yung move minus 10. Ayan.
He
So
will just
nag-move
say it's a rock every
yep,
time.
and it keeps on moving. Ganun lang. So how could you modify the cat's behavior after it touches the rock?
Modify the cat's behavior.
Mm-hmm.
Remove stray and then say it's a rock and then wait. I think you could change the say
Mm-hmm.
into
Yeah.
honestly I don't really know.
So you're on the right track because basically you can just change the say block to anything else, and that's basically changing the cat's behavior when it touches the rock. So ibalik mo yung ano, yung if condition. Ayan, rebuild the if condition again. Ayan, may kulang pa siya. Nasaan yung condition niya? Yan. Nice. So those blocks are what we call conditions. So if it touches, boom. Okay? So if you want to change the cat's behavior when it touches a rock, you just have to replace the save block with anything else you want. Or palitan mo yung ano, yung sasabihin niya. Aw. Ayan. 'Di ba? Ganun lang. Okay. Save mo na yan. Next activity naman tayo. So after you save that, we'll have a
Can
short break
I
now.
use this?
Mm-hmm. Saan?
This one. The one saved now here. Oh, never mind.
Ayan, okay na. Okay, water break muna tayo.
Yeah, sure.
Okay na? Refresh na?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, game na tayo. So activity 3, we're gonna make a timer naman. So any sprite daw tayo dito. Make a backdrop, then add any sprite that you want.
They don't have a kitchen, or is this the only part of the kitchen?
Hmm? Is that the only backdrop for kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Hanap rin si teacher. Tingnan natin. Kitchen. Indoors. Yeah, that's the only backdrop that says kitchen. For a kitchen, actually. Yeah. Ayan. Nice. Mm-hmm. Ayan, tama yun. Nice. Yan.
How does number 4 work?
Number 4. Do not make it wait for 1 second so you can see the increments of the timer each second. So, just add a wait 1 second block. And below that, nice. Okay, may kulang ka pa dyan sa join. Punta ka dun sa sensing, right? Then look for timer. Lagay mo dyan siya kay banana. Yan. Then what do you want it to say? Ano nakalagay sa instructions? Yung sa number 3. Ano sabi? Timer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, lagay mo siya dyan. Type mo dyan, timer. Tapos yung colon. Yan. Okay. Okay, try mo na. Ayan, nakikita mo na
That
yung timer niya. So, what you're seeing right now is yung value ni timer na variable. So, you see that cyan, that blue, the blue block called timer.
yeah.
Then, kita mo rin yung number dun sa 'di ba? Yung 206, 8 ba yan? 8.814.
Mm-hmm.
So, that number is the value of the blue block, which is timer. And the join block, yung green one, is just basically combining them. combining yung word na timer and yung mismong variable na timer. Kaya yun yung nakikita mo. Okay? So that's important rin ah. That's important rin. So you have to remember that these code blocks. Okay, so ayan, tama ka. Yan yung itsura niya. Okay. So moving on to the reflection questions. So how long does how does the repeat block control how long the timer runs?
The repeat block controls how long the timer is. Wait,
Ayan, pag ginawa natin 100, ayan, 2, 3, 4, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna repeat
gonna repeat
100 times.
100 times.
Yeah, nice. Good job.
The wait
Right?
1 second block is to wait 1 second before changing to another number so the player can see it.
Nice. Okay, that's great. Then, ito naman, last naman. So what's gonna happen if we use a forever block instead?
It will go on forever. It won't stop.
Ayan. Nice, gets mo na. So, activity 4 naman tayo. Sige, save mo muna yan. Then move on to tayo sa next activity. Okay. So for this activity, iba naman gagawin natin from before, okay? So what we did before kasi 'di ba is that we didn't use if else na blocks, right? So for this activity, dapat gagamit ka na ng if else na blocks. Or kahit if lang pala, if blocks lang. Hindi na pala kailangan na else.
I
Ayun lang.
don't understand it.
You don't get it? Okay. So, sige. Step by step lang natin muna tingnan, okay? So, for the first instruction, yeah, that's basically what we're doing. For the second instruction, ito na. So, lagay tayo ng green flag. Alright? Then, forever block. Then, four na if then blocks. Apat daw. Right after each other. Hindi inside. Yan. Okay. So, what this does, yung apat na if then na yan, is that when something happens, one of them is triggered. Okay? So, since we are working on a key press na activity, each if then should detect a specific arrow key using the key pressed. So, nasan yung key press na block? Ayan, sige, stretch ko muna. Saan dyan yung key press na block? Hindi yan. Iba naman yung gagamitin natin ngayon. So, dun tayo sa sensing. Sa sensing, nandyan lahat ng conditions natin. So, you'll see, meron dyan, key. Ayan o, key equals pressed. Yan. Tapos, kunyari, ayan, up arrow. Then, next naman. Then, next. So, that's how you use the conditions. Ayan. So, if the up arrow is pressed, ano gagawin ni sprite? It's gonna move pataas, 'di ba? So, paano natin ginawa yun sa previous activities? Ay, wait lang. Copy mo muna yan. Lagay mo sa backpack. Mhm. Yan, okay. So, if you press the up arrow key, ay dapat change Y yan. Pag up and down, change Y tayo. Yan. Tapos pag right and left, X yung gagamitin natin.
So that does that mean I can use change x by change x by block as a substitute for move 10
Mhm.
steps or no?
Yep, you can use that naman.
Okay.
They're kind of the same thing. Ayan. So, you press on the arrow keys na. Ayan na. It works na siya. So,
It
what this
moves
does,
fast.
hmm,
It
it moves
moves
fast.
really fast.
Yeah, it moves fast. So, how do you make it slow down?
Wait 1 second. I
Masyado na
think I,
mabagal.
I I think I'll change it to 0.
Ganun pa rin. So, to make it move slower, you can just change the value dun sa blue na block. So, imbis na 10, make it 5 kunyari. Ayan. Try mo ulit. Ayan. Mas malapit na yung ano niya. Mas onti na yung galaw niya. It
Wait.
moves slower, basically. Ayan.
Oops.
Oopsie.
There we go.
Ayan, naglilinis na ka na. You're cleaning na. Okay. So, let's move on to the answers. Ayan. You did it correctly. Good job. So, why did we have to use multiple if then blocks instead of just one?
Because if we don't use multiple if then blocks,
Mm-hmm.
this will happen. It won't move down, left, or right, or any key that is not included in whatever you press. For example, you did A, or actually, I think you did space. It will change by 5, but this will not happen because they are not in the forever block,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Exactly. Right? So we use multiple if blocks if you want more than one condition. Correct?
Yeah.
If you want to use more than one condition. So take note of that, okay? So what happens if two keys are pressed at once? So sabay mo sila pindutin.
It's not moving.
Yan, it doesn't move, right? Because it can only trigger one condition at a time. So this set of code blocks can only trigger one condition at a time. You can set it up differently two if you want two conditions to be pressed at the same time, but maybe next time na yan. Okay? Then, the third one, na answer naman na natin, how do you make the sprite move faster or slower? So, how do we make it go fast?
Increase the change wire change X or move 10, 10
Mm-hmm.
move blank steps.
Then, kung gusto natin slower,
Decrease the change Y, change X or move blank steps.
alright, good job. Okay, tapos na tayo dun sa activities. Ready ka na sa exercise?
Yeah.
Okay na? Save mo muna yan, dali. Mas ready na tayo. For the exercise. Basta kailangan magets mo kung paano si conditions. Alright? They're very powerful and you can use them in any type of programming. Right, ready na? Okay,
Yeah.
game. So for the first exercise, dance party. So beginner lang muna to. And it's basically what you did with the guy that's doing hip hop. Ganun lang din. You create a dance party. And sige, I'll let you work on that muna, okay? Maybe enough na yan. Mga apat lang muna.
Why is it so small?
You can make them bigger.
Wait.
There we go. Ayan, panis.
Oh wait, this is 1080.
Yeah.
Oops.
So that's too many, ano. That's too long, right? So what else do we do? We
Change
can redo pala.
here. Maybe let's just change this. Huh? Wait, what? Oh,
No, it's just one costume pala. Maybe you can
never
switch
mind.
him
I
to
can't
another guy.
dance.
Yeah, he can't dance.
Maybe I'll do 1080 so I won't have to waste my time. Wait,
Mm-hmm.
where is 1080?
But you can't use yung ano. Try natin gumawa ng forever block without make it shorter basically. How do we make it shorter? Kasi sobrang haba niyan eh. Mahirap siyang basahin pagka dinagdagan pa. So how do we make it shorter? Using um the lessons we learned earlier. I think tama naman na yung forever. I don't think you have to use if blocks here. Punta ka dun sa looks. Ayan, gumagalaw na siya. Try mo pumunta dun sa looks. I think there's a block there that you can use so that you don't have to do multiple switch costumes, right?
Oh, the next costume. Okay.
Yeah, next costume.
Wait, let me get this again. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
oops.
So
Let's
remove lahat
remove
yan.
this.
Nice. Okay, next costume. Then, ayan. Yay! It's shorter na. I don't have to do that. It's gonna repeat forever naman eh. So you don't have to do it multiple times na. Yan, di ba?
Oh, never mind.
Oh, he's too fast. Hala. So how do you make him dance slower? Ayan. Yung weight. Right? It's basically giving him a delay sa pag-switch ng costume. Ayan na, everyone's dancing. Yay!
Wait, let me just change. There we go. Wait, let
There
me
we
just
go. Ayusin mo na sila.
paste them. There we go.
Yay! Diba, mas madali siya kesa copy-paste mo silang lahat. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Good job. Alright. Save mo rin yan. Then next, we move on to the second exercise.
Why isn't he moving?
Sino?
Yeah, him. Oh, he wasn't moving earlier. Okay.
Naglag lang ata siya. Okay, so the other one, yung isang car dapat gumagalaw siya mag-isa. Just like the cat and the rock earlier. Meanwhile, the other one, ika-control mo. Gets?
Okay.
Okay? Tapos dapat pala may finish line ka. Search mo na lang siguro kung meron. Ayan, there we go.
Wait, let me just rotate this.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'll just do the if on edge. Oh, it's not
Mm-hmm.
the edge. Yeah, the edge.
Okay.
Movement steps. Oh yeah, I'll put this. Wait, no, we don't need that.
Yeah, you don't need those. Ano
Right,
na tayo ngayon? If conditions na tayo. Kaya natin if
right.
conditions, wag yan. Yung ginawa mo kanina. You have to practice that.
Control if.
Ano yung first step kanina? Yung green flag, right? And a forever block. Yan. Tapos forever block. Nice. Ayan. Kulang ka pa. Ng isa pang may kulang ka. Yan. Nice. Let's try arrow.
Oh,
Hala.
never mind, I'm
Hala, nauna
faster.
na siya. Mas mabilis ka.
Wait, I'll put a sprite that says victory.
Mhm.
Oh, wait, never mind. I'll just put it on the convertible.
Yung edge. So, when it touches the edge, Ayan, dapat si green din. Also, you have to make it so that they go back to the edge of the screen sa start ng ano, when the green flag is clicked. So, try siguro -100 sa edge ng screen. So, below the when green flag is clicked, lagay ka ng move x -100. Ay, hindi, go to pala, go to. My bad, sorry. Ayan. Go to -100. Tapos yung y mo, let's say, um, neg ano ba? 0. Ayan, gawin mo -150 para nasa pinakagilid siya. Ayan. Si y naman, paano mo siya ibababa? Anong papalitan mo kay y? Paano mo lang siya ibababa? Ayan. You're faster. Parang daya naman.
It's probably because I don't have the wait to one
Mhm.
second lang.
So, tanggalin mo yung
Yes
weight.
po.
Ayan, mabilis din siya. Lagyan mo rin condition. Dapat mag-say rin siya victory para sa dulo. Yehey! Hala, inaunahan ka. Mas nauna ka. That's nice. Congrats on making your first game. Oh, okay. So that's exercise 2, and I don't think we have enough time for exercise 3. Maybe you want to do it as an assignment? I'll give it to
Yeah, I
you.
think I can do it. I think
You
I
can
can
do
do
that.
it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
I'll.
I don't think I can
Hmm?
actually.
Why?
Animated storytelling using various. No, I don't think I can.
No?
I
You
don't
need.
really know how to create storytelling.
Oh, it's okay. You need teacher's help for that?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, let's think about how you can do this. Create an animated storytelling project. Maybe you can use different sprites that you like. Then, when they touch each other, they're gonna greet each other. Okay? So they're like moving towards the same direction. One starts from the left, the other guy starts from the right. Then when they touch each other, then both of them should say something like hello. Oh, I'm sorry I bumped into you. Something like that. Okay? So I leave it up to you for your assignment. All right? Ayan oh. You can use maybe those two characters sa ilalim para also add animation ha. So they should have an animation of them walking when they're moving towards each other. You know how to make
Yeah.
an animation, right? Just like
Yeah.
the dance party. Okay? So that should happen when while they're walking. Then they should stop when they collide with each other.
Can I try to like edit their costumes a bit because I think I wanna edit it.
Yeah, you can pwede mo silang
Oh, oops.
oh. You want to you want to make her bald.
Oh, it doesn't have a hoodie anymore.
No more hoodie. Yeah, you can just
Um,
play around with it. Okay? Then you can show teacher next
okay.
meeting. Alright?
Well, probably next month because I won't be here.
Next month. Well, I think we have a meet naman this Wednesday, 23.
Oh yeah, 23.
Yeah, 23, 24, 20, 25, 26. Okay? May three
Okay.
sessions pa tayo this week.
25? What's
Yeah?
25?
Oh, wait, no, my bad. 25 is a Friday pala. So, 23,
Oh,
26,
okay.
27. Ay, hindi. Wala ka na pala ng 27, right?
Yeah, I'm not here on 27.
Okay.
And
So,
30.
23, 26. Sige, that's noted. So, 23 and 26. Okay?
Oh wait, no. Oh
Mm-hmm.
yeah. 27 and 30 I'm not gonna be here.
Okay.
Wait,
I'll
30
take
is a
note of that.
Wednesday, right? Oh yeah, 30 is a Wednesday.
Yup. Alright. Sige. You have a blessed Sunday with your family. Okay?
Yeah. I know.
God bless you
Okay.
guys. You go enjoy the Sunday with your family, alright?
Sure.
Have a
Yeah, I
delicious
will.
dinner then. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, Teacher Justin.
Bye bye. God bless.
See you next meeting.
See you next meeting.
Bye.
Bye bye. Oh, what is this? Nangyari?